come to Prime, you're looking to get your CDL. Has my videos played a part in you deciding to come to Prime? Put me down as a referral. Driver code Maturo, M-A-T-U-R-O. Also, don't forget to put down Nikki Yost as well.
Hey, I'm a recruiter here at Prime. I'd love to work with you. List me as on the application as the recruiter that you talk to, along with Junior's referral. We make a great team. We'll take care of you. My direct phone number is 417-521-3598.
Which is the best, guys?
Okay, so right now I'm gonna check my wheels because I'm gonna do my in-cab inspection. Okay, so the seatbelt is properly mounted, secure, not rip, not rip or freight. Adjusted latches properly. My fire extinguisher, properly mounted, secure, is fully charged. My 3 red reflectors triangles are under my bunk, and my extra spares of fuels are in my glove box. I would perform my safety start. Before I do, I will make sure my ABS light on my dashboard and on my trailer comes on and off, a sign that is working properly. Went on and off, so it's working properly. Now we start my engine. My CD horn, my air horn.
Remember, when you first start, you want to release the...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, as soon as you start, yeah. So that gives it time for the pressure to build up when you go to the next step.
Okay, no.
All right, so once you start it, go ahead and push that in. Now then you do the...
Okay. My CD horn, my air horn are working properly. My windows, my windshield and my mirror, my windshield's properly mounted, secure, not cracking, it's clean. My mirrors are properly mounted, secure, not cracked, bent or broken, and it's clean, and it's adjusted to me. My voltmeter, my alternator is charging between 13 and 14 volt. My left signal indicator is working. My right signal indicator. My high beam. And my 4 flashers. My defrost is working properly. My heater is working properly. My wipers are mounted, properly mounted, secure, operating smoothly, and my blades are in crack or broken or dry rotting. Okay. Now I will apply my pressure test. I will do my applied pressure test. I will fully depress.
No. When you turn it off, you got to put it back on the on position.
Yes. Okay.
Give it a second. Wait for the buzzers.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I will fully depress on my gauge, on my air gauges, and wait until they stabilize.
No.
No?
You said you're going to fully depress on your air gauges.
No, my bad. I will fully depress on my brake and wait for my air gauges to stabilize. I will check to make sure I don't lose more than 4 PSI in 1 minute while listening for air leaks.
PSI?
PSI? While listening for air leaks. Will you assist me? I will tell you when to time me.
Yes.
Can you please time me now?
All right.
I did not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute while listening for air leaks. Because I know what I forgot on my dashboard now. I was checking.
Go ahead, you good.
Okay, so I will now pump my brakes until the warning light and buzzer comes on at or before 60 psi. I will continue pumping down my brakes until my trailer and my trailer and my tractor valves pops out between 40 and 20 psi. My valves pops out.
Okay, so this is a good example.
Yeah.
So if you forgot something, turn the truck on. Turn the truck on. Wait for the pressure to build up.
Okay. Wait for the pressure to build up.
So at this time, you're gonna think about what you forgot. You haven't told them that completes your in-cab.
Yeah, so I'm still good.
You're still good.
Yeah, I forgot 3 things.
3 things.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot my water, my oil, and my air gauges. That's the only stuff that I forgot.
Did you do the? Oh yeah.
There's only 3
because you
stuff
did
that I
the
forgot.
heater and defroster.
Yeah, I did the heater and defroster.
Okay.
All the rest.
Okay, yeah.
Because when I did this, I had to do this after, but I went straight to my light indicator.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead, give it a little break. Yeah, and then after that, you're gonna go remove.
Yeah, my chocks.
Yes. Okay, now do that
Okay.
because there's no noise.
Yeah. My water temperature gauge. My water temperature rise to the operating range. My oil pressure gauge. My oil should rise to the operating range.
Normal operating range.
Normal operating range. My air pressure gauges. My air should build to the governor cut between 120 and 140 psi. I will go out and remove my chucks so I could do my brake check.
Apply brake. Service brake.
Service brake
No,
check.
but parking brake check.
My parking brake check. Yeah, my parking brake check. Do I need to have my seatbelt always on? No, to do that.
Put up seats.
Yeah.
Just put it on just in case.
Just in case, you know.
Yeah, because we're gonna be pulling forward.
Yeah, this is 20 points.
But we're gonna be pulling forward. So yeah.
So now I would tuck against my trailer.
Quita el pie del okay.
Okay. And now I would tuck against my tractor.
Lo vamos a hacer como lo hicimos ahora tempranito.
I will move forward.
No.
No.
Before you release it, tell me what you're gonna do.
Okay.
Then do it.
Okay. Now I will pull forward to 5 miles an hour and apply my service brake to make sure it doesn't pull to the left or to the right.
And what are we doing?
My service brake check.
Okay.
Now I will do my service brake check. I will pull forward to 5 miles an hour to make sure it doesn't pull to the left or to the right.
Ya sabes, suavecito. We're just replicating. That's good.
It didn't pull to the left or to the right. And this complete my in-cab inspection.
Yep.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.